Hey guys, Garage Maxed Out here. Today I'm going to do a video on changing out the cabin air filter in a GTR. There are a few videos online, but some of them don't have the greatest lighting and some of them do a bunch of extra steps that you don't need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do this for you. Before I begin, if you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and then hit the little ring the bell alert button so that you get alerted every time I post a new video. We've got a lot of new content, bunch of cool new garage toys that I'm going to show you guys in upcoming videos. And let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so the first thing that you're going to do here is you're going to remove the glove box. Go ahead and take out anything that you've got in here. And essentially when it's down, you'll be able to pull the bottom of it and it'll pop out just like that. And then you'll have one connection point right on the side over here. Okay, so this is what the little rope piece looks like. And essentially, let's see if I can get this here in the video. This is a guide post right there. And underneath right here is another post that goes into the glove box itself. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to pull up. Okay, so I just want to show you what this looks like here. See if I can get some light on it. That's what the connection point looks like. It just pulls straight out. So you're not going to have to use a lot of force, but you can see that that just goes right onto it and it'll pull right out and you're not going to break anything. Okay, so once you remove the glove box, essentially the next piece that's going to come out is this inner section right here, and it's just held on with some Phillips head screws. There's one right up in the center section here. Okay, so once you've pulled this out of the way, remove the 9 screws, just pull the side panel off and kind of pull this out. You're going to see right in here, that's where your air filter is. And on the sides, you'll see little push pins. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it with you being able to see the video, but just pull up on this and it will come out just like that. And then the other side has a little kind of latch on it as well. And just pull it out just like that. And then you'll be able to pull out your filter. Alright. Okay, so this is the one that I just pulled out of the vehicle. Just because of what the screws felt like when I pulled it out, I'm guessing that this is probably the first time the filter's been changed on this car. It looks pretty dirty, and I was really concerned buying a non-Nissan part. It might be a little bit difficult to see in the video, but I'm actually really happy that I did, just based on what the build quality feels like. I'll show you here. Okay, so this is the new one. This is the one that came out, and immediately what I notice here is on the Nissan one, it's like not very structurally, like I feel like this thing could fold and bend really easily, versus this one, which I've actually never heard of this brand, but it was one of the few available for the GTR. Feels like it actually hurts somebody if you like hit them with it. It's like really rigid and strong. So I think that's that's a good sign for me. Maybe that's a bad indicator of a filter's performance, but I'm actually happy that I went with this one. It is charcoal, that's why you'll see kind of the black in there. But I like keeping up with the cabin air filters because it keeps the car smelling nice inside, and obviously removing any kind of dust so that you don't have to dust all your interior pieces so much. So we'll go ahead and we'll reinstall it. Okay guys, so that's all you need to do to replace your old filter with a nice new one. This filter actually got a 2-pack on Amazon for like 13 bucks. So really like $6 or $7 for a replacement. The dealership wanted $190 to do this job, even with me trying to figure out camera angles, lights, and all this other stuff. It took me less than 30 minutes, so probably next time when I'm not shooting a video, it'll take me under 10 minutes to do it, especially if you use like a drill or electric screwdriver, something like that, to make screw removal go a lot faster. I am really happy with the quality of these filters, so I'll go ahead and put a link in the description, and then if you guys have any comments, please leave them for me. Thanks for watching. This is what the dealer wanted, and I'll put the link, the one that I just used for 14 bucks. And again, it's a 2-pack and you only need one, so even cheaper.